My car by
Run. Bar. Turn. Okay.
I am Sam. Hold on, do I have a lot of pages to do? Nope. This is my car.
Okay.
My car needs oil.
Good job.
And a fuel tank of gasoline.
Good job.
My car has many parts. Wheel, frame, wheel, steering wheel, engine, and body.
Awesome. Very good.
My car has lights to see at night. And windshield wipers to see in the rain. When I drive. That's his very own car. It's small. His car is small. Why is his car small?
Because it's small. The car is small. It's got a small car.
When I drive carefully. I obey the
Laws.
I obey the laws. Walk. I stop. For. That's a very long word.
It is a very long word. That's a hard one. Break it down.
Peed.
Pedestrians. That's a really hard word, isn't it? Okay. Okay.
Pedestrians.
Pedestrians.
I already.
What's that?
Speed limit 20. So.
Slow. Yeah, that's right.
Bus. One way. No parking. I read the signs. Hey, wait! I read that. Hold on. Speed limit 20. Slow. One way bus.
Main Street.
Main Street.
That's the shortcut for street.
Mommy, did I read that?
Yeah, you read it.
No parking. And I read the signs.
Or you can say, I read the signs.
I read the signs.
Yes.
Come on, turn the page. I drive my car to many
Places.
Too many places.
That's a hard word too. Right? It's not a sight word yet. It's not a sight word.
Mommy, how much do I have? I drive my car to walk. But when I work downtown, I drive my bus. Did I skip a page? Beep, beep.
At the end. Good job.
Beep.